Hello, I'm Refashionista Sheri, and why don't we have pockets? Why are so many garments made for us totally pocketless, or we have like this much, like you put your hand in and we got like this much pocket, or better yet, decorative pockets? What the hell is up with decorative? Who wants a decorative pocket? That is ridiculous. So I think you can figure out for day 16 of my 30 days of refashions for September, we are making some pockets because I had a wonderful grandpa-style oversized cardigan in my wardrobe that didn't have any pockets. So I think it's time that we add some pockets. And I don't know if I've said pockets enough in this, but if you want to learn exactly how to make your wardrobe work for you, create your dream items using what you already have, then subscribe and join my wardrobe revolution. And you know what? Let's go make some pockets. For this quick and easy project, all you need is your cardigan that is in need of some pockets and some fabric to create the pockets. If you've been with me even for just a short time, you should recognize this sturdy polyester fabric from my vintage dress to cropped blazer tutorial. But if you missed it, I shall link it down below for you. So of course, the first thing you have to do is lay your cardigan out flat and decide where you want your pockets to be. I'm just going to put mine in the normal traditional front pocket placement here above the bottom hem. Then you're going to grab your Beetlejuice lunchbox if you have one. And you see it, look in here, I have some chopped pockets from other projects where I just removed the pockets and I just hold on to these to use as templates. Now this one is way too big. This shape I think is cute, but let's not overcomplicate it. So let's go with this one. And I think that's awesome. And if you watched that tutorial, you should remember that I also had these fake pocket flaps that were on the front of that dress. So I'm actually going to use them for real pocket flaps on this project. So I have my leftover piece of fabric and I folded it pretty evenly in half, I think. But there is a method to the folding madness here, and you will see that here are 1, 2, 3, 4 finished edges, and whenever I can utilize existing seams or finished edges or button plackets or zippers, anything like that, I'm definitely going to do it because it just saves so much time. So now I'm going to put my pocket template on the top here, and because this top edge and this side are finished, I can go as close to those finished edges as possible and then just pin it in place. And now I can just go and cut it out, making sure that I leave at least a couple of centimeters on the chopped edges here for seam allowance. So now I'm just going to go and fold in the chopped edges and stitch them down so I don't have to worry about anything flippy flapping around when I attach it to the cardigan. And my very simple but totally functional pockets are done. And if we grab the little pocket flaps, how cute is that going to be? So now it's time to get everything onto the cardigan. That is going to be so freaking cutie patootie, but I think first I have to stitch on just these pocket flaps here, and I'm just going to do a quick stitch just straight across where it folds, and then after put on the pockets so everything is going to be hopefully as even as possible. And the pockets are all stitched on, and you know what? They are totally functional. So now let's go try it on and style it up. Totally functional, totally adorable, and totally using the leftovers from another project. And I think that you deserve that too. You don't have to spend money buying new things when it is so easy to use what you have to make what you want. And this tutorial was 100% proof of that. And I am cordially now inviting you to join my wardrobe revolution so we can do all of these things together in person, one-on-one. I'm going to show you and give you all of my tips, tricks, tutorials, techniques, all of the teas out there to recreate your wardrobe using what you already have. The link will be down below, but for now, please do subscribe because tomorrow I got a brand new tutorial coming at you for my 30 days of refashions. And until then, stay safe, stay well, and I'll catch ya on the zigzag.
This is Confessions of a Refashionista.